Hi everyone, looking at GameStop again today, just before we get into some pretty shocking revelations about GameStop. I mean, we did all know it, but it seems that it's actually been revealed in the public space now, which is pretty telling. Kind of shows that it is going the way we all thought. But before I get into that, let's just have a quick look at the price for the day. So it's currently at $223 a share and 59 cents, although sorry, a little bit down the post market, that's 36 cents a share, and is up 0.28% for the day. So once again, some more pretty wild swings, up to 230, down to 232, to 23, sorry, and has been hovering around there for the back half of the day with a large amount of volume here, a lot of sell volume towards the end of the day. So it'll be interesting to see what tomorrow does. And actually, just before I get into the GameStop news, let's just have a quick look at AMC. AMC had a very good day, up 10% on the day. So that is pretty darn good. Back to $60 a share. Hasn't closed above $60 in quite a few days since around the 15th of June. So it's good to see that it's broke that 60 number. In fact, a little bit up on the post market as well. So can it get past that fabled $65 share? And then will it continue going? But we're not here to talk about AMC, although it is good news. We are here to talk about this article here. So this is by Reuters, and meme stock prices may not properly reflect demand, New York Stock Exchange president. So that title is pretty telling already, but if I just go into it, the prices of so-called meme stocks, so in this instance it would be GME and AMC, are distorted because the majority of trades in those names are executed away from public exchanges where share price formation occurs. Wow. So meme stocks, which start as low-priced, highly shorted stocks at online forums such as Reddit, Wall Street Bets, Superstonk, and AMC Stock, DD and the Gamer, ones that I use, are heavily traded and volatile. Share companies like GME, AMC have rallied up multiple 1,000%. In some of these meme stocks, we've seen a level of high retail participation. Vast majority of order flow can trade off exchanges, which is problematic. Now, this is the line here, that price formation is not really reflective of what supply and demand is. So that is pretty crazy if you are following that, because we are told that the market is due to demand and supply. If supply is high, if demand is high, then the price goes up. And if demand is low, then the price will go down. And we all know that GME's demand is at an all-time high right now and getting higher and higher, and yet the price is falling and falling. So it kind of shows there is a lot of dirty-handed tricks. Now, obviously, we all know this. We all know there's dirty-handed tricks, but it's pretty telling that it's starting to be admitted in the mainstream media. So retail surge during the coronavirus panic, helped shift by retail brokerages to commit free trading. As much as we don't like Robinhood, they were probably a large factor in this, despite their horrible banning of people buying GameStop in the original squeeze, whereas responsible from around about 35% of market volume, which is 20% up from the pre-pandemic. Meme stocks, individual traders contribute as much as 70% of the volume. That is massive. So it does show that the float is potentially, pardon me, sorry, is potentially owned by the apes as we think. So I won't go through all of this because, I mean, read it in your own time and go to the comments, and it is quite telling. But I'm going to go to the last line here, which shows that the market is basically rigged, as we all know. We will also, the review will also examine whether off-exchange trading, which is about 50% of the market, 50%, and it distorts the price discovery mechanism for stocks. That's 50% of the market is traded in ways that retail investors such as you and I are unable to, which is completely shocking. It shows that the system is rigged against us, and despite what we are doing with GME and AMC, is that overall the system is rigged. So this is a very telling article. It's telling us a lot that we already know, but it is good that it's getting out there, and it is more confirmation of what we already know. So that's about it for this video. Very, very telling article here. I would recommend reading it. Once again, meme stock prices may not properly reflect demand. The New York Stock Exchange president. Now, this is a pretty fresh article, but it shows the horrors of the stock market and the current rigged system. So keep on buying GME, keep on buying AMC, and keep holding and holding and holding, and we will push through this rigged system and be able to get the price to what we know it can be, which is very, very high. So guys, thanks for watching. Give it a like if you've enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys next time.